This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in Lincoln Park, just off the intersection of Clark and Fullerton, where there's Five Guys, ton of restaurants, shops, grocery store. Heading around for a look at the Patricians. Vintage high-rise with updated apartments. Heading further around, you're looking at Lincoln Park. The park itself. Just literally steps from the building. One of the great urban playgrounds in the entire United States. It's kind of cold out here, so let's head inside for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm in apartment 307, looking at the entry where there are two closets. And you're looking at the original antique brass hardware that you'll find in the unit. Other vintage touches include Moorish arches, built-up crown and baseboard moldings. You're looking at a sleeping alcove here. Another closet. It's a walk-in off to the left. And then the living dining area. It's breakfast bar lip on the kitchen peninsula. Sconce vintage lighting. The light oak flooring extends throughout the unit. Then you have a very functional U-shaped kitchen, cherry stained cabinetry, granite counters, 4-burner electric range, built-in microwave, and there's the dishwasher. So you head toward the bath. It's a storage area. It's flexibility on what you can do with this space. Might even make it a home office. The bath has a soaking tub, shelving in the shower, vintage lighting above the pedestal sink. Spacious convertible studio in an absolutely terrific location with good storage space for a studio apartment. You definitely want to have the Patricians on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info